Hey guys, back here with Dan, and our question for today is how can we borrow against our current home loan and the equity that it has to get a renovation done? Maybe you want to do a bathroom, full renovation, maybe just the kitchen. But how do we go about that, I suppose, Dan, and how do we make sure that we've got enough equity in our home to be able to do what we want to do?
I suppose, James, the first key is what's the value of your house at the moment, and how much do you owe on it? And that's what the bank looks at with what they call their LVR, the loan to value ratio. So they like that to be below 80%. So if you are below there and you can manage to draw back to that 80% level to do that renovation, which hopefully then also improves the value of your home, then that's the first step to make sure that you can do that. If you've got plenty of equity, it shouldn't be a drama. And then the bank will obviously look at, well, can you service the additional amount that's going onto your loan? Because that's the things that the banks look at. Two things: security, how much they're lending you, and serviceability. Can you actually pay us back? They're the two main things to look at.
Yeah, and can we still use that same equity, I suppose, in our home to go and maybe put a deposit on another home in a certain instance? Or?
Yeah, definitely. So the bank would go, right, here's what your house is worth now and what you owe on it, and this is going to be the house that you buy. So let's add the two values together. Take 80% of that, and then you would take off, well, this is what I owe on my house now. How much have I got left? Is that enough to buy the new house? Yeah.
No, so that's a few little ideas, I suppose, to get you into the property market or try and, I suppose, improve the value of your home. It's not always about saving that extra penny. It might be more about, if planning ahead 6 months, you pay a little bit more extra into your home loan. That'll bring your LVR down. And then instead of saving it in a I suppose, another savings account where you're getting very low interest at the moment, might be better off in your home loan account, so that LVR is more favourable when you go to do that renovation.
Oh, definitely. Things like mortgage offset accounts. So rather than having it in earning 2%, have an offset account, which effectively could be saving you 4 or 5% on your home loan. And just even little extra repayments make a massive difference on a loan. I know one client of mine loves their coffees. If they have a day when they don't buy coffee, they just pay $5 off their home loan. And you would think that won't make much difference. If you did the sums over a year, that could make a massive effect on how quickly you can pay off your house.
Yeah. Hopefully that was helpful, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow.